Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to redeem coupon codes in Replit. Now, the first thing that we need to do is, of course, make sure that you have a promotional code or a coupon code. And this is basically to help you to, get um, the different pricings of the Replit accounts, but with additional or discounts into it. So when we go ahead and click on pricing, and then say for example, let's join the Replit core right here. Just go ahead and continue. Go ahead and log into your account, and then just go ahead and click on continue, where you should be able to see a discount or promotional code right here. So when you click on add promotional code, go ahead and add in your code, and then the promotion will be added into it. As you can see right here, there is a $10 off of core for a month on the promotion that I have added. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.